Advantages of getting carpet cleaning done on time. By getting carpet cleaning and Footscray done on time, you can keep the fibres pristine clean and can even avoid pests. All in all, you should get carpet cleaning done on time since 1. You can prevent accumulation of dirt, dust and allergens. 2. You can prevent insect infestations. 3. You can prevent ugly stain formation. 4. You can prevent mold growth. However, to get the best results out of a service, you will need to hire the best carpet cleaners in Footscray. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us, bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.